So how important is time management? Time management is one of the biggest problems we see in the workplace today. It's a huge problem in our personal lives, and it impacts our well-being. And so if you're looking to improve your work-life balance and get more of the right things done, then this introduction to time management is a great place to start. Hi, I'm Allyson Lewis, founder of the 7-Minute Life, and I believe that time management is important because you have to learn how to use your time effectively. It's going to be important to learn how to organize your day, to prioritize your tasks, and when it comes down to a to-do list, there is nothing better than being able to use the power of the check mark. Don't you just love being able to mark something off your list? I see a lot of people that will even write something on their to-do list after they've done it just so they can mark through it. The power of the check mark. Let me start this introduction with a definition of time management. The simple definition is that time management is a process of planning. And so you're going to need a repeatable process, a system that can help you plan out your day, and we're going to give that to you at the end of this video. How do you define time management? Well, this is my definition. I believe that time management is a process of planning the length of time you will consciously and deliberately focus your attention, starting and completely finishing one specific activity. Time management is a process of planning the length of time you will consciously and deliberately focus your attention, starting and completely finishing one specific activity. Let's break that down. First thing is, it's a process. A process that doesn't necessarily come naturally. A process is something that you have to learn. You're going to need tools and repeatable systems. And so the process of planning means that you have to actually know what you're planning for. So the process of planning, how long is it going to take you? We are regularly underestimating how long each specific task will take. But then you have to learn to consciously choose the task. There's so many things that you could let into your day. What are the most important tasks that you're going to choose to let into your day today? Time management means that you have to learn how to deliberately focus your attention. Attention is a very limited commodity. So how are you going to learn to improve your attention span and really push out all of the other things so you can concentrate on one specific task? If you want to improve time management skills, then we have to stop multitasking and learn how to focus our full attention on one thing at a time. And we need to continue that focus until we're completely finished, until it is done, until you've actually received the check mark and you can move on to the next thing. So what does that process look like at the 7-Minute Life? In this introduction, it's important to know why 7 minutes. There are 24 hours in each day. And during that 24 hours, time is always moving forward. 24 hours breaks down into 1,440 minutes. At the 7-Minute Life, we're going to teach you how to take 1% of your time, 14 minutes, learning how to take 7 minutes in the morning and 7 minutes in the evening. You're going to learn how to think, clarify, plan, prioritize, and choose how you'll spend the remaining 99% of your time. So when we start out by saying time management is a process of planning, part of the process is learning how to take 14 minutes, 7 minutes in the morning and 7 minutes in the evening to actually create that written plan of action. So if this is the definition, then what does the actual tool look like? We don't want you just to understand what time management is. We want you to download our tools and begin to improve your time management. If it's a process that you can learn, then this is the tool that you would start with. It's called the 7-Minute Life Daily progress report. Now let's just walk through this step by step. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to set a timer for 7 minutes. You're going to go to the link below. You're going to download this worksheet, set a timer for 7 minutes, and you're going to go through it piece by piece. First thing you're going to do is you're going to think about what you need to accomplish. Now, there are two types of to-do lists. The first is what we call using a to-do list using shower planning. And shower planning is when you hop out of bed, you hop in the shower, and 1,000 things are running through your mind, and you start mentally sorting out those things and trying to determine which things are most important. But without writing them down, the brain is like a dry erase board, and by the time you hop into your car, all of those things have kind of just vanished from your mind, and you end up being reactive rather than proactive. So you're going to think about what you want to put on your to-do list. And then you're going to physically create it. You're going to actually write down what are those things that you want to do. So you're going to physically use the tool to create your to-do list. Next, you're going to then prioritize those things in order of importance. So let's say that you want to accomplish that one first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So time management is about a process of planning. You have to think about what you want to do today. You then create your to-do list. You prioritize them. And then the final piece is you really try to learn how long will it really take me to accomplish. Is it going to take me 5 minutes or is it going to take me an hour? Because you want to begin to learn how long each task will take. So again, you're going to set a timer for 7 minutes. You're going to think about what you need to accomplish today. You're going to create your to-do list, prioritize those tasks in order of importance. Ask yourself, how long do you think it will take? And then finally, you're going to begin to just take action. You're going to take those tasks one at a time, and you're going to start and finish one task at a time. So the daily progress report, this is the tool. Be sure to click in the link below to download this tool so you can get started with the introduction to time management. As you go through this, after you've downloaded the daily progress report, be sure to subscribe to the 7-Minute Life. Go to our website. Look at all of the things that we have. We are a time management company, and we deliver groundbreaking personal and professional development training. So our focus is on helping people improve their time management, daily productivity, get more of the right things done, but do that while aligning and reconnecting with priorities and purpose in life. If you are new to the 7-Minute Life, make sure to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook, like our Instagram page, and get involved, because the 7-Minute Life is learning how to prioritize, organize, and simplify your life at work and at home.